Hey, stripping gears here. Maple Syrup Fest 2024, first car show I did since Autorama. Anyways, check it out. Like, subscribe, whatever. Let's get to the cars, guys. Nice Gen 3 here. 68, 69 maybe. I'm not sure how the crowd's going to be here today, guys, but let's get at her. I'll get her in before it rains again.
Yeah, back when I guess you were governor, huh? Do you have to ride in a two-seat whatever in your car too? Yep. Yeah. See? Because you're how old now? How old are you? 8. yeah, you're 8 now. Yeah, bro. Oh, weight. It's weight and height. There you go. I don't know, you're already pretty tall compared to everybody, aren't you? This is you and Mrs. Bundy, right? This is so hard.
This guy didn't have to go far. The Shepherd address. How about this bad boy? 68 with big block, or a big block with stroker in it. 3.
This is the car guy.
Sure is.
Yeah, I see you on the internet.
Hey, I appreciate you even looking at it. I'm going to be posting this before I get out of here.
You.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, cool beans. I haven't had anything really a lot this year. This is the first one since Autorama.
Yep.
And I did Autorama, but I appreciate you following me. Tell your friends about it, because
Oh yeah, I follow you all the
do
time.
you? I appreciate it. You know, some guys say don't say anything. I say too much, not enough, whatever.
I reckon I can.
Yeah, I'm Dale, by the way.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I saw your car before. I like it. Well, you can't go wrong on a first-gen Camaro. Let's face it. You know. Well, I like them all.
So I want to mention also just some of our sponsors today. I'm going to go down the list real quick. So the Shepherd Maple Syrup Festival, Simply great KBS Nordic Solutions, which is one of the taking place today. Cops and Donuts, Twins Auto Body, Pleasant Automotive, Bold 27 Auto Sales, Coots RV, Silver Spoon Coffee Shop, which is right here in town. They're serving food today. Ben Effins, Deli and Market, they're also open today. Fig and Cedars Hair Salon. CNR, Ready to Pay, Four Seasons Store. Stone Lodge, Memory Care. Food Father Medical Center. A&K Laundry Basket. Kenny Brothers Chuck. Shepherd's Front End and Hollow Frame.
Good morning. Oh, okay, great.
My name is Bonnie Hill, and I'm all the way from Greenville, Michigan. Just love doing these car shows, so I'm excited to be here. And even more excited about this Sunday. A couple other things to make note of. If you have not snagged your Mid-Michigan car show and book, $5 for one of these books, and they are available right behind you. They're available right behind you.
How about this, guys? Look at that. That was my dream back in '78. Look at that, less than $6,000. Beautiful.
Right across from me as well. I have a lot going on right across from me, which is really nice. There is a Mahindra tractor that is.
That's you, eh?
What year? 27 Buick.
Pardon?
27.
We have a 29 frame.
Do you? Yep.
We got a 26 Hupmobile and no 24 Hupmobile, 26 Model T. 29 old. My 31, I'm supposed to get back to total restoration.
So every dollar they receive goes directly to the Michigan veterans. And membership is not required that you, it doesn't require you to be a veteran to be a member. But you need to go over there though, and they can hook you up with tickets for a chance to win that Mahindra tractor. It's really cool. Go check it out. They can give you a lot more information and detail on that. Oh, also, the 30s, I will be a visitor too. The 36th annual downtown and Fire voucher, grand prizes, cash drawings, veterans drawings, and more. The rain date will be June 2nd, but there's not going to be a rain date, so there's not going to be rain on May 19th either. So, enter, and you can enter the show on North Pine River. And oh, look at my cute little picture. Yeah, my name's on there and everything. So anyway, make sure that you think about going to the Ithaca Downtown Car Truck and Cycle Show. I'm going to turn the music back on, and if there's anybody that has questions on anything, I'm right here, sort of in the center of everything, so, alrighty. Wow, so I'm going to let you announce that, because you just said it, right? Are you good with that?
Hey, I'm Justin from Jose's Big Gig. For first, second, third place winners, we're going to do a full pork, searching out roast pulled pork, baby back ribs, and some smoked mac and cheese, and all that good stuff. So let's see who those winners are.
All right, that's awesome. I wish we had our card here, Dave. Okay, we're gonna get back to the music here.
There's a little Rat Rod City, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. Look at this bad boy. you're gonna get that morning kind of reflection. It kind of burns out the colors a little bit. Creates almost a different shade with the sun hitting it on an angle like that, but I like it. There you go. How about that, guys? You filming a Mustang and hearing a little Mustang Sally. That's the bomb. I like those wheels. Those are those Magnum 500s, one pieces. Pretty slick. And then you got this guy. Yeah, real nice. I'll do this. You've seen it before, but it still looks nice. This green looks awesome in the sun. I'll tell you. That guy's from Clear in the yellow car.
They're like 20,000.
That's your typical square body, long box. That was typical. You know. Yeah. That's nuts. Yeah. Yeah, let's get her. Oh man, it's warm enough, guys. This is the warmest day this year. I'll tell you, it's with the humidity from that rain. It's about 75, 77 degrees. It's warm. How about this? Here's another one. Gracie's car. It says Gracie on it. Not sure what the deal is on that thing, but this guy is all patriotic. You can't beat that. That's a nice small block Chevy in it. Yeah. Eating wrap as well. You had to drive. Hey, how's it going today, young man? I like that motor you got in that bad boy. That probably makes a little cackle, doesn't it? It's beautiful. I mean, today with the rain, you ain't gonna get like high polished wax, but it looks nice. No, just happy to have it today. Huh?
It's a 355.
355. Yeah, that's a real nice looking truck. I always like those short boxes, but that was more common, the long box. Yeah, two-tone, that's...
Hard to find these anymore.
Yeah, oh, impossible. Oh, yeah. No. Hey, you have a good rest of your day now.
There, I was over to Onondaga last Saturday to the car show and stuff. And there was a 85 over there.
Was it?
They had everything for sale.
Oh, did they? Yeah, I had a friend. I had a first cousin that had one of those kind of a turquoise, bluish ones, you know. But now real nice. And you got Gracie here. Yeah. No, that's all right. How about that, guys? How's it going this morning? Good, good. I'm glad that we got it. It didn't look good about 3 hours ago. Yeah, that's nuts. Yeah, where's he? Blanchard. There you go. And you got this little gold duster. My brother had a Roadrunner identical color as this. You know, most people, hey, look at that, there's a CB in it, looks like. That's pretty slick. How about that, guys? How about that? Let me back up a little bit. There you go. I didn't realize I had to expand it. That sucks. Well, we'll get her. Yeah. These things are getting to be classics now, too, I'll tell you. How about this? You can never go wrong with a Chevelle. Look at that, those Magnum 500s.
All right, I think this next one's going to be a little bit.
That's crazy. Look at this. How about this? You just don't see that every day. Well, you can, but I guess on Pinterest, but it's still pretty slick. tired of this bad boy. Sidewinders, knockoffs. There you go. How about that, guys? I'll give a little extra love on this bad boy. Oh wow, AutoFest. I probably got him there in 23. Oh man, check that out. That's a big block car too. What do you think that bad boy is worth? 66, big block. Hopefully that's. And then you got this. I'll get one more out of this. I'm sorry if I kind of get all geeked on vets, but most guys do. How about that? You know what? This is a pretty nice little coupe. Like I said, Bob Brett Hauer. How about that, guys? Everybody has to have the Coca. Hey, I got cherry Coke in my car itself. One of you took it from me. Hey, how about that? Here's this nice Ford. My old boss had one of these, but that nice Ford blue, brand new back in the day. Now, mind you, this has some monster meats, highly modified, but he had a brand new 250 with the lockouts where you had to lock in the 4-wheel drive. Got it all of 6 miles a gallon. That's nuts.
All right.
This is in that matte finish, I guess you'd call it that.
Matte right there. It depends on what
There
area
you
you're
go,
into, I guess.
How about
All right,
that,
real quick, I'm
guys?
going to run through the sponsors one more time, let you know that there's lots going on, lots of places to eat. We got all kinds of food trucks over here. We got elephant ears, caramel corn, popcorn. They've got all kinds of stuff over there. We got Old World Deli European fat balls. So I've never had a Dutch fat ball, but you never know. It might happen today. Who knows? And then they've got some stuff going on down on the other end as well. And they got food trucks and there's all kinds of other things. So Shepherd Maple Syrup Festival is one of the sponsors. Simply Engraving, KBS Mortgage Solutions, and that is where if you haven't registered, you want to come up here and register.
How about
they
that,
have
guys?
the registration booth right there, and you will see it with all the beautiful trophies that are sitting there, waiting to be given out. Cops and Donuts.
Hey, where'd
I believe
that yellow
Cops
rag
and
come
Donuts
from?
got
No, I'm
the
just
donuts
kidding.
today, and probably maybe the coffee. Clint's Auto Body, Old 27 Detailing, Mount Pleasant Automotive,
Let's see what we
Old
got here.
27 Auto Sales, Coots RV, Silver Spoon Coffee Shop, which is down the street here. They are open today. Van Effen's Deli and Market, they are also open today for food if you are interested. Fig and Cedar Hair Salon, CNR Electric, J&K's
Heads up
Four
when you
Season
guys
Floral
see it.
and Greenhouse, Stone Lodge Memory Care, Sweetwater Medical Center, A&K's Laundry Basket, Kenny Brothers Trucking, Shepherd Front End, Color
Blue
Frame,
Flame,
and
see that, guys?
Collision. Those are our sponsors for today. And I'll tell you what, please make sure you go and do business with these sponsors, because it's the sponsors in the towns like this that make it so these events take place. And if you don't have those sponsors, you don't have these events, and they're here because of you and your dedication to doing business
money.
and small businesses. So, also make sure that you check out the Mid-Michigan Car Shows and Cruises book. They are $5. It has every car show, truck show, motorcycle show, whatever show you're looking for that has to do with anything with a motor is going to be in this book. And if you want to get over here and see Jerry, he will get you one book for $5. This is 2024. This takes all the guesswork out of finding shows, because you can find the website links, you can find the phone numbers, you can find the email addresses, all that stuff is in this book. So you want to get one of those books. For $5, you can't go wrong with that. Also, we have the 36th annual downtown Ithaca Dust Off Park Truck and Cycle Show. That's coming up Sunday, May 19th from 12 to 4. There's a $5 entry fee. We've got all kinds of great prizes, cash,
Common.
and more. And a truck ride too. And I will be doing while doing music that day.
Dang, that's Nova's. Nice.
Support our local
Hold this hand.
Michigan vets.
That red one, it's got paint in.
All right, so I was as a fat loss to try so excited. So Mike and Billy are over here in the old world European fat balls truck. With smoked Polish, German bratwurst, fresh cut fries, corn dogs, and drinks. Everything you need. And the fat balls, don't forget them. Oh my gosh. Wow, those look pretty amazing. Okay. They got food in them, don't they? I like it even better now. Alright. So anyway, I want to say make sure you support your local Michigan veterans. The Forgotten Eagles of Michigan, they're going to be raffling off a Mahindra tractor over here. You can see the tractor and sign up for that. They are a nonprofit organization formed in 2002, and they come here every year and raffle one of these tractors off. The goal is to heighten awareness and criticize the POW issue that still takes place to this day. To advocate for the fullest possible accounting for all American POWs and MIAs. They assist these disabled and needy vets to participate in community projects that benefit those veterans. Every dollar they receive goes directly to the veterans. And membership does not require that you be a veteran, so anybody can be a member of that group over there of the Forgotten Eagles of Michigan and help out with them or just be part of them. So get over there and get yourself a wrap. I'm going to turn back over to you. Still the Eagle.
That's what you like, guys. Oh, there's somebody in here. No, I knew that. I was just filming the interior. And this guy's at every Mustang show. You got the Great Lakes Stampede coming up, fellas. I just want to give you a heads up, and gals. I'll be there filming. And if you have any shows that you want me to film and post on YouTube, drop me a comment on my channel. I'm willing to go across the state. I like to think myself as a Michigan car guy. I'll let someone else film out of state, but anyways, like, subscribe, whatever. But the bottom line is, yeah, leave a comment which you want some show. I mean, I've gone all across the state, so I'm going to be doing more of the Detroit metro area. There's a lot of nice rides down there. But I like all these little mom and pops. There's a ton of little mom and pops coming up. And I'm going to hit more of them this year. That's beautiful Chevelle, isn't it, fellas? Look at this. There's probably one of the standouts here today. Look at that. Is that beautiful or what? You know, I like the Chevelles, and I like the first gen GTOs, the 68 GTOs. There ain't any car that I don't like on it. Look at that, guys. Hey, how's it going today?
Good. How are you?
Good. It's nice to be back at the show circuit again.
Yeah.
Yeah. How about this, guys? Look at this Falcon. Look at that, guys. That's not my favorite year, but when you have it like that, that's balls to the walls. Trust me. That's nuts. Looks like it's that Corvette red paint on. I call it that. I'm not sure what they call it. But it's not. You got this. I like this salmon pink. If you're gonna have one of these cars, these you don't see like you used to see at shows. I mean, these used to be dominated shows. Actually, most of the stuff that we look at now, those were daily driver, late model stuff. Now, that's neat seeing one now. You're gonna get some wind, guys. I'm just giving you a heads up. I got a blast of breeze right into the mic, I'm sure. Let me see what we got over here. It's a smaller show this year. I'm just giving you a heads up, guys. It, like I said, it rained 3 straight hours just before 9, so you can expect what you can expect.
I'll let you have time.
How about that, guys? There's a bird. Oh, there's a helicopter if you're wondering why it's making some ungodly noise. You can see it now. How about that? Let me see where this one's from. This ain't my favorite color, and I'm not into verts anymore, but Ed Shirley. That's a beautiful one. It says that's a 69. Yeah, it is a 69. That's pretty, it's really nice. Don't get me wrong. How about this, guys? Yukon. That's all that undercoating stuff on it. This must be the Jeep Village. How about this? That's a Shepherd. There are a lot of them going shot. This one's extra nice though, guys. I'll tell you. That's a factory color too. The music's too loud. How about that, guys? That's really nice. 3100. I mean, the quality, you can't tell because it rains, so they're not going to have the high glossy this, but it's a really nice shape. I'll do that. I'll do the broncholitis, I call them. How about that, guys? I'm just going to pan the crowd so you kind of see what's going on. It's getting busier. There always has to be a notch at these things. Of course, this one's a nice notch. Check that out. Oh, a local guy. You gotta have a notch. How about that, guys? How about that? How about that, guys? How about that? These are a lot of Shepherd vehicles. I'm surprised half the people in this show are from Shepherd. I didn't think there was that many classic cars there. We'll get her. I really like somebody to get on it. How about that? There's another one that I'm not familiar with. It's really nice. Oh, well, look at that. That's nuts. How about this? This thing's nice. Like I said, back in the day, these I didn't like as much as the Mustangs, but now I like them. I never liked the rear spoiler, but uh-oh, someone lost a foot. No, I'm just kidding. Like I said, how about that, guys? There's a guy ready to sit down and enjoy the rest of the day. It's a nice shade tree here. Now you actually have to be in the shade. I'm not kidding you, it'd be too warm otherwise. How about that? That's something else. Staggerly, it says on the front of it. Staggerly, that's the dice. That's your typical, like, hot body, whatever-y. Oh, look at that, that A&W. Probably a bunch of stolen mugs. I gotta admit, guys, it's taken a while to get my bearings back in this car show circuit stuff. But hope you enjoyed the video. And then you got this 67. It says 68. The side market, that's 68, I guess. Look at that houndstooth. Real nice. Yeah, real nice. Yeah, 68. How about that, guys? I didn't realize the 68 they offered that V kind of look front end, because I know the 69s have that, but that's different. It's nice. Real nice, smooth firewall and all that, which to me, you gotta have the heater core because it gets foggy. Oh no. And for lack of a better, and here's another one. That's gonna do it. A smaller show this year because it rained for 3 hours before, but I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for viewing.